subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo is all set to launch its new S-series smartphone in China called Vivo S5. The company has already started teasing about their upcoming phone on their official website and also released a teaser poster that shows the complete front look of the smartphone. According to the teaser poster, the Vivo S5 is seen to have a full-screen display with a punch hole at the top right corner that houses an selfie camera. The teaser poster also suggests the phone to have an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Recently, the Vivo S5 has spotted on Chinese certification site Tina with two model numbers V1932A and V1932T. Both the model number has identical specifications, but the only difference between them is in the camera department. The Vivo V1932T model number is listed to pack with triple camera setup on the rear that features a 48 megapixel primary camera plus 8 megapixel secondary camera and a 5 megapixel third camera. On the other hand, the Vivo V1932A model number is listed to have 5 camera setup on the rear that houses a 48 megapixel primary camera plus 8 megapixel secondary camera plus two 5 megapixel cameras and a 2 megapixel fifth camera. The selfie cameras on both the model numbers are same 32 megapixel camera. Apart from this, the other specifications on both the model numbers are same. According to the Tina listing, the Vivo S5 will support a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, which is expected to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset. The smartphone is listed to pack with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of inbuilt storage, along with the microSD card expansion support up to 256GB. On the software front, the phone is set to run on Android 9 Pie, which is likely to be based on FunTouch OS 9.2 custom skin on top. The handset is also listed to have 4010 mAh of battery, and we expect to support fast charging. The physical dimensions of both the phones measures at 157.9 by 73.92 by 8.6 mm and weighs around 188 grams. Now, talking about the release date, the Vivo has confirmed to launch Vivo S5 on November 14th in China. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo S5 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.